Hey there, sweet cheeks. Typewriter Series number 417 today. It's a skinny one. It's a wee one. It's a tiny little poem. Here's your wee paper. As you can see, it is not very long, but that doesn't matter, because sometimes the short poems pack a punch, and sometimes they were just me feverishly scribbling out how I was feeling about something. Here's your poem. No one sees the world how we do. No one will appreciate the weight of another's hand inside ours more than we. When you wait a long time to hold a hand, it seems to matter a lot more when you finally get to. I love you a lot. Have a day. Stay cool.